हाँ. Hello everyone, I'm Mahesh. So today we are going to do this Masco Flex 20, which is 20 minutes of workout, where we are targeting hybrid cardio plus endurance. The purpose of this class is everyone wants strength, but what powers that strength is your engine, like your heart. We are going to start with the warm up. 3, 2, 1, and go. I'm going to start with the normal jog. Now slowly go with high knees. I will go with butt kick. Front. Front. Go with side, left, right. Go with jumping jack. Yeah, 3 to 1, relax, wide your legs. 1, 2, 3, come up 4. 1, forward 2, in 3, come up 4. 1, forward 2, in 3, come up 4. In 3, come up 4. Keep going. Yeah, relax, now go with the twist. Arm should be straight. Yeah, relax. Go with lunge and stretch. Hold up. Change. Lunge. Stretch. Hold up. Change. Lunge. Stretch. Hold. Change. Lunge. Stretch. Okay, relax. I'm going to go to squat. Back straight, chest out. Breathe out, breathe in. Hold your ankle. Shoulder retract. Lift your hip up. Knee straight. Again sit down. Lift your hip up, knee straight, again sit down, lift your hip up, knee straight, again sit down, lift your hip up, knee straight, again sit down. 6 exercises, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 3 rounds of that. First exercise is burpees to squat jump. So how you do? Just go with the burpees, come on this position, jump, come down, burpees, jump, and then go down. Okay. The second one, lateral hop to reverse lunge. Reverse, jump, reverse, jump, reverse. All clear? Third one, we have to do push up to shoulder tap to knee tuck. So you need to be in this position. One push up, shoulder tap, and then knee tuck. Understood? If you can't do the push up, go on your knee. Go down, come up, shoulder tap, and then tuck. Fourth one, plate clean and press. Just hold the plate, go down, tap, and then take it up. Go down, tap, and then take it up. Go down, tap. Wide your legs, tap down, and then take it up. Second last, crab reach. So you need to go in this position. Drop your hip down. Reach back, drop your hip down. Reach back, drop your hip down. Reach back, breathe in, reach. Breathe out, breathe in, reach. Okay. The last one, we have double hop high knees. On the double hop, you need to do this. All clear? So we are going to start in 10 seconds. Are you ready? We'll go to the first one. Burpees to sumo jump. 3, 2, 1, and go. Burpees, come up, squat, then go burpees, come up, squat down, go down burpees, sumo, and then close. Breathe out, breathe in, and then go down. Keep going, keep going. Three, two, one, relax. Now the second one, lateral hop to reverse lunge. So I will only go to the right side. 3, 2, 1, right, and then lunge, left, and then lunge, 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 right, then lunge. Breathe out, breathe in, left, and then lunge, right, and then lunge. 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Now push up to shoulder tap to knee tuck. Push up to shoulder tap to knee tuck. 3, 2, 1, and go. Everyone. Push up, shoulder tap, and knee tuck. Push up, shoulder tap, and then 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 knee tuck. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now, plate, clean, and press. And hold the plate, clean, and press. 3, 2, 1, and go. Tap down, and take it overhead. Tap down, and take it overhead. Breathe out, breathe in, then up. Breathe out, breathe in, then up. Breathe out, breathe in, then up. Breathe out, breathe in, and 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 then up. 3, 2, 1, relax. Second last one, crab reach. 2, 1, and everyone go to the crab position. Right first, up, then down, other side, down, right, down, left, right, hip down, left, hip down, right, hip down, left, hip down, right, hip down, left, hip down, right. Breathe out, breathe in, then up. 3, 2, 1, relax. Last one, double hop, high knees. 3, 2, 1, and go. Double hop, high knees. Double hop. Keep going. Come on, last 20 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Do not stop. Breathing should be normal. Keep going. Push yourself. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good job. We have completed the first round. 30-second rest. Then we are going to do the second round. Come back to your station. Come back, come back, come back. Done, 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 done. 3, 2, 1. And we'll start with butt piece to sumo. Go down, come up, and then go down, and then come up. Go down, and then come up. Go down, breathe out, breathe in, and then go down. Come up, breathe out, breathe in, and then come up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now the second one, we have lateral hop to reverse lunge. We'll go on the right side first. 3, 2, 1, and go. Jump, lateral hop with reverse lunge. Come on, come on, come on, keep going. Breathe out, breathe in, and then jump. 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 Keep going. Do not stop. Come on, come on, come on. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. rest for 10 seconds. Now push up to shoulder tap to tuck knee. 3, 2, 1 and go. Push up, shoulder tap and tuck. Push up, shoulder tap and tuck. Push up, shoulder tap and then tuck. Breathing should be normal. Push up, shoulder tap to tuck. Push up, shoulder tap. Okay, relax. Now plate, clean and press. 3, 2, 1 and go. Tap down and take it overhead. Tap down and take it overhead. Tap down and then take it overhead. Breathe out, breathe in and then up. 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 Last 3, 2, 1 and relax. Now the next one we have crab reach. 3, 2, 1. First right hand up, then left. 3, 2, 1 go. Reach down, reach, hip down, breathe out, breathe in. Right hand up, then down. Breathe out, breathe in, then up. Keep going. Do not stop. Take your hand back. As much back you can. Lift your hip as much up you can. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Double hop. Double hop. Come on, get up. 3, 2, 1 and go for it. Double hop. Come on, come on. Raise your knee up as much up you can. Breathing should be normal. Breathing should be normal. Come on, come on, come on. Double hop, double hop. I said do not stop. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Good, we have completed the second round. We'll do one more round, 30 seconds rest and then come back to station again. Come back, come back, come back, only 30 seconds. Get up, get up. चलो 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 आ जाओ, ज्यादा रेस्ट नहीं है. 3, 2, come on, get up. We are going to stop one piece to jump squat. 3, 2, 1 and go. One piece, come up, squat jump and then go down. One piece, come up, squat jump. One piece, come up, squat jump. Breathe out, breathe in, go down and then up. Keep going. Last 10 seconds. Come on, come on. Do not stop. You need to push yourself. Come on, last 3, 2, 1 and change. Now, lateral hop to reverse lunge. Lateral hop to reverse lunge. Right first, 3, 2, 1. Lunge. Left, lunge. Right, lunge. Breathe out, breathe in and then keep going. Come on, come on. Do not stop. Come on, last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1 more. Relax. Very good, bigger. Now push up to shoulder tap to tuck. 3, 2, 1 and go. Push up, shoulder tap and then tuck. Push up, shoulder tap and then tuck. Breathe out, breathe in, shoulder tap and tuck in. Push up, shoulder tap and then tuck in. Push up, shoulder tap and then tuck in. Push up, shoulder tap and tuck in. Relax. Now plate clean and press. Come on, 3, 2, 1, and go. Tap down, and then take it up. Breathe out, breathe in, and then take it up. Breathe out, breathe in, and then take it up. Breathe out, breathe in, and then take it up. Bend your knees, and then up. Back should be straight. Breathing should be normal. Breathe out, breathe in, and take it up. Last 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Now crab reach. Easy crab reach. 3, 2, 1, and go. Lift your hip up. Take it back. Lift your hip up. Then take it back. Breathe out, breathe in. Up. Down. Breathe out, breathe in. And then up. Lift your hip as much up you can. Come on, come on. Very good. Keep going, keep going. Last 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Now we have the last one. Double hop, high knees. 3, 2, 1, and go. Double hop, high knees. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep going. Do not stop. Push yourself, double hop, not the high knees. Come on, come on. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, clap yourself. Good job, everyone. Very good. So now we have completed 3 rounds. We'll do 2 minutes of cool down and then done for the class. You have 30 seconds. You can keep your weights back. Three, 2, 1. Everyone, go for the cobra pose on stomach. Lift your shoulders up. Look up and just hold there. Breathe out, breathe in. From here, go to mountain pose. Go your hand on your toe, drop your heel down. Heel should be on the floor. Take your hands as much back you can. Push your shoulders back. Now lift your right leg up. Right leg up. Take your right leg forward. Go for pigeon pose. Raise your both the hands up. Raise your both the hands up. Reach forward. Breathe out and just hold there. Change. Change. Left leg up. Left leg forward to pigeon pose. Take your both the hands up. Breathe in. Reach forward. Breathe out and just hold there. Yeah, let's go back to cobra pose again. Go back to cobra pose again. And sit back on child pose. Open your knees and sit back completely. Yeah, legs come up. Come up, come up. Hold your both the hands. Hold your both the hands. Lean your body down. Lift your both the hands up. Raise your both the hands up as much up you can. Breathing should be normal. Yeah, relax. Straight your arm, hold your elbow press. Do the deltoid stretch. Straight your arm, hold your elbow press. Do the deltoid stretch. Change. Go on the other side. Yeah, relax. Bend your elbow, hold your elbow flat back. Go for triceps. Change. Go on the other side. Yeah, relax. Now hold your both the hands, pull your both the hands forward, round your upper back. Hold your both the hands, pull your both the hands forward, round your upper back. Slightly bend your knee, put your both the hands down. Just round your back. Yeah, relax, clap yourself. Thank you so much everyone for attending this session. Hope you like this session. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone. If you like the video, do it, share it and subscribe our channel or You can tag us after completing this video with your reel. Thank you so much, everyone.